Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add a video to your playlist on the YouTube Studio app for iOS and Android. So if you are a content creator, and that's why you're on the YouTube Studio app, and you're looking to add one of your latest videos to an existing or creating a new playlist, in today's tutorial I have you covered, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is select the content button at the bottom of the YouTube Studio app and then locate the video that you want to go ahead and add to a playlist. And you want to select the pencil icon at the top right and scroll down where it says add to playlist. Go ahead and select that. And it says you don't have any playlists. We're going to go ahead and click done. But you would need to go ahead and actually have a playlist, I guess, created on the YouTube normal app. You can't actually create a playlist that appears on the YouTube Studio app, which is a little unfortunate here. But if you already had a playlist, which the purposes of this video is how to add a video to a playlist, not how to create a playlist. So just keep that in mind. So we're still staying true to the title of this video. You just go ahead and select add to playlist, and then you would go ahead and locate the playlist on the list, check mark the box, and then you would select done. Again, there are many ways to do it on desktop YouTube, and I think even on the YouTube app itself you can create playlists, but in YouTube Studio app, which is different from the YouTube app, you cannot create a playlist. So just keep that in mind, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.